Tired of exercise fads that promise the world, but just leave you sore or bored? Here's the low-impact fat-burning secret the fitness industry doesn't want you to know. Nordic Walking. I will never look at walking the same way after learning this simple fat-burning trick. Are you frustrated by diets and gym routines that go nowhere? Let's make weight loss simple and actually enjoyable. So, what is Nordic Walking? Imagine taking a walk, but with special poles, kind of like cross-country skiing on your local sidewalk. This little twist engages your arms, shoulders, and core, turning a regular walk into a full-body workout, without the sweat-drenched intensity of a gym session. Here's the best part. Studies show Nordic Walking burns up to 40% more calories than regular strolling. That means more fat loss, stronger muscles, and a happier heart, all while being gentle on your joints. Perfect for seniors, beginners, or anyone who wants results without risking injury or feeling out of place at the gym. At Saturday Morning Diet, we believe weight loss should be simple, affordable, and for real people. No starvation, no yo-yo dieting, and definitely no guilt trips. Nordic Walking fits right in. Pair it with our tips on balanced nutrition, blood sugar control, and practical meal swaps, like the famous Joan bars. And you've got a proven plan to burn fat and keep it off. Want more? Visit SaturdayMorningDiet.com for free resources, e-courses, and our 100% risk-free guarantee. Try Nordic Walking this week and discover just how powerful a simple walk can be. No gym, no hassle, just real lasting results.